The World Bucket List. Add yours Instagram story. Do you want to try the viral Instagram trend and create a story with the countries you want to visit? Stay tuned to find out how you can do it. To start, open the Instagram app. After that, click on the search button at the bottom of the screen. Then, type @earsticks in the search field. When the profile with that nickname appears, click on it. The sticker we're looking for is in the profile's highlight titled January 2024 P2. There are many stickers there. Scroll through the stories until you find the one titled The World Bucket List. To add the sticker to your story, click on Add Yours. Now it's time to add the background to the sticker. You can take a photo with the Instagram camera or import a picture from your phone's gallery by clicking on the icon in the bottom left corner, as I will do. Choose the photo you want, and it will automatically be set as the background of the sticker. I will move the Add Yours button down. Now, let's add the countries on our World Bucket List. For that, we'll need a pen. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose the Draw option. At the bottom of the screen, select the pen color. I'll use green. Now mark the countries. Once you've marked all the desired countries, click on Done. Share the story by clicking on your story. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please subscribe to the channel.